Using ChatGPT or any other AI can be a big help if you are a non-attorney and trying to negotiate an employment dispute on your own. But it can cause real problems if you were doing that while also getting advice from an attorney. Hi, I'm Tom Spiegel at the Spiegel Law Firm. We help people who've been fired or afraid that they might be. I had a client a number of years ago who would take the emails that we sent him about our litigation advice and send it to his ex-fiance and say, hey, what do you think about this? And she would opine. And we found out this was happening when the employer wanted to depose her because he had some emotional distress claims and they were deposing everybody. And the lawyer that she hired said, hey, I've got these emails that I think I have to turn over to opposing counsel because they're not protected by attorney-client privilege, because anything you share with your attorney or your attorney shares with you are protected by attorney-client privilege and the work product doctrine. Not so if you go outside of that bubble and you share it with somebody else. That includes AI. I mean, this is somewhat untested, but it seems to be that, we had Sam Altman a couple weeks ago say that that queries or questions you put to ChatGPT are not protected by attorney-client privilege, and if they get a subpoena, they're turning them over. So if you've got an attorney, and we've had some of this in our firm where people will take what advice we're giving them or run it through ChatGPT or some other AI program, and they use that as some kind of co-counsel, which I get. I understand that. But that can pierce the attorney-client bubble, and you could have to turn that over to defense counsel if you end up in litigation. So if you've got an attorney, you're going to have to choose. Do you want to use that attorney, or do you want to use ChatGPT as your attorney? You can't do both.